You are running your sprinklers 3 times a week. You are doing everything by the book. But when you look out at your yard, you still have stubborn, dry yellow spots scattered across the grass. Your soil has become hydrophobic. Foot traffic and playing pets compress the dirt tightly together, physically repelling water. Because moisture beads on top and runs off, it starves the root system below. Without water, your grass cannot grow or turn green, regardless of irrigation. We can fix this mechanically using an easy, inexpensive 3-step liquid treatment that cures hydrophobic soil and turns your lawn green in exactly 1 week. You need to gather a few simple tools for this. Pick up a cheap bottle of baby shampoo, a liquid fertilizer, and liquid iron. To apply them, you will need a hose end sprayer and a standard backpack sprayer. Securing a healthy, vibrant lawn doesn't require pumping endless gallons of water onto the surface. It requires fixing your soil's mechanical ability to actually drink the water you give it. Step 1 starts with the baby shampoo. Take your hose end sprayer, remove the lid, and pour the baby shampoo directly into the reservoir. Do not add any water to this container to dilute it. Check the dial on your sprayer and set it to exactly 4 ounces. This gives you the correct ratio to treat every 1,000 square feet of lawn space. Hook the sprayer to your garden hose, turn on the tap, and pull the trigger. Apply an even coat of the shampoo and water mixture across your entire yard. Make sure to heavily soak those dry, hydrophobic yellow patches. At a microscopic level, we see why this works. Baby shampoo is a surfactant. It breaks surface tension, forcing compacted dirt to separate. Moisture can finally penetrate deep into the earth, allowing roots to receive the proper hydration they need to survive. You must follow one specific rule to finish step 1. Turn your sprinklers on immediately for 15 to 20 minutes. The water washes the baby shampoo off the grass blades and pushes it down into the soil where it belongs. Clearing this barrier first is mandatory. If you skip the shampoo, the expensive nutrients in our next steps will just pool on the surface and wash straight down your driveway. Step 2 feeds the newly hydrated root system. Pour a couple of gallons of water into your backpack sprayer. Then add 16 ounces of a liquid fertilizer like Neighbor's Envy for every 1,000 square feet of yard. Shake it up to ensure it mixes thoroughly. Be incredibly careful with your spray path here. Keep this liquid mixture completely off your sidewalks, bricks, and pavers to avoid permanent staining. Adjust the nozzle on your backpack sprayer to a fan spray setting. Walk your yard and apply a consistent, even coat directly onto the grass blades. To track the results, take a brightly colored plastic lid and place it right in the middle of a yellow, dry patch in your yard. We will use this to block the treatment and measure the lawn's progress. The watering rule for step 2 is the exact opposite of step 1. Once you finish spraying, you must wait exactly 4 hours before turning your sprinklers on. This 4-hour delay gives the leaf blades enough time to absorb those initial nutrients. Once the timer is up, your sprinklers will push the remaining fertilizer down into your newly opened root system to promote healthy growth. Step 3 locks in a deep, rich color. Empty a full 16-ounce bottle of liquid iron directly into your clean backpack sprayer. If you are dealing with pest issues such as fleas or mole crickets or chinch bugs, you can safely add a liquid insecticide to this iron mixture before you apply it. Spray the iron out evenly across the yard. Sloppy, uneven application will leave you with a streaky lawn. And again, keep this far away from your concrete and pavers to prevent heavy staining. This chart highlights a foliar application, meaning the product is designed to be eaten by the leaves, not the roots. The iron droplets sit on the surface and absorb straight into the plant's tissue. Because of this, the final watering rule is simple. Do not water the lawn at all. The liquid iron must dry directly on the leaf blades. Depriving the soil of water during this step forces the grass to digest the iron entirely through its leaves. This triggers a rapid and intense spike in green pigmentation across your yard. Fast forward exactly 7 days. The thirsty yellow grass blades rapidly expand, filling in bare spots and transforming into a thick emerald green lawn. Now let's look at the plastic lid we left out in the yard last week. Lifting it up reveals a sharp contrast. The pale, untreated grass trapped underneath is clearly visible against the dramatically thicker, darker treated grass surrounding it. To maintain this deep color all summer long, you can repeat steps 2 and 3, the fertilizer and the iron, once every 4 to 6 weeks. Step 1 is strictly on an as-needed basis. You only need to reapply the baby shampoo if you notice water pooling on the surface and running off into the driveway again. Following these specific watering rules ensures that liquid treatments actually reach the roots, transforming a struggling yard into the healthiest lawn on the block.